Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name to remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Fundo Technology. Yeah. So welcome all my new subscribers to my new episode. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, so on today's episode, I'm here to show you how to create a dollar accounts. Yeah, 2023 formula for creating a dollar account in Ghana using your mobile money. So no time to waste. We'll jump straight to my phone screen and I'll show you how you can create your dollar account in Ghana from scratch, from A to Z. Yeah, but please, before we go back to my phone screen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share so that you'll be the first person to be notified when I release new videos every day. Yeah, so catch me on my phone screen. Let me show you how you can create your dollar account. No time to waste. I'm out. Pow. Yeah. So welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, I want to show you how you can create a dollar account in Ghana. So no time to waste. Let's start. So first of all, you download a recent account. I will leave the link in my description so you can download the app. Yeah, so after downloading the app from the Play Store, then this is the app. Then I click on the app. Yeah, so if you click on the app, this is how it will appear. Yeah, so let's assume you want to create accounts, your dollar accounts. So you first input your Gmail. So let me input some Gmail inside. Yeah, then you click on continue. Click on OK. So they will send you some verification code in your Gmail. Then you go straight to your Gmail and copy the code. So let me go to my Gmail. But the thing is, if you don't enter the pin at the right time, like it will expire. Yeah, it will expire. It will expire. So let's assume right now it has expired. It has expired. But so let me go to the Everson account again. I hope you are following what I'm doing. So I'll open the Everson account again. Then I'll enter continue and OK. So they have sent the number again. So I'll go to my Gmail right now. So it's loading. My Gmail is loading. Then I will enter the number I used. A. And then account. Yeah, it is this. So I'll enter the number I used. Yo, so this is the number. Yeah, so they have sent me the number. Let me check here. So this is the number they sent me, 64200. Then I'll go to my Everson account again. 64200. Yeah. So I'll open. Oh, but still I'll enter the same one. And let's see, 64200. So let's see. Continue. Okay. 6 for 200. Continue. Yeah, so after that, then you choose your country, the country you want to register or be verified for. So right now, I'll use Ghana. Then I'll enter my phone number for it. So I'll enter my phone number. Let's say, and if the number you're entering that it has been used, you cannot use it again. You will verify the number, so they will send you a pin on that number. Then you click on OK. But me, that number I've, it's not here. So let's assume I want to use different the number that is here, and this number I've already used it for my own. But I'm doing this for tutorial sake, so let's watch it. Do you see that when I entered, they said I should enter my password because the number I'm using, I've already use it. That's why they said I should go back to. So when you enter your phone number, then you click on continue, then it will create. They will ask you your birthday, and everything. So after you create the account finish, then you verify with your face. So let's assume you're done with your account. Then they will ask you to create a pin because no one should be able to get access to your account because your account contains a lot of money and it's your account. So when you create finish, then you enter your pin, then your account will open. Yeah, so this how your account looks like. Yeah, so this is how your account looks like. So this how your account looks like. Yeah, so the withdrawal I've made. Yeah, so this is how your account looks like. So this is your USD, your dollar account, and Uganda shillings account, Rwanda francs account, and Kenya shillings account. Yeah, and your Ghana cedis account. So this how your account looks like. Yeah, this how your account looks like. Yeah, so that's how you create it. So like they will ask you your birth set, your identification card, and you verify with your face, and then your account will be live. Yeah, you can withdraw any amount you want. You can save. Me, when I save in USD, you see this one is in USD. You see United States flag over there. Yeah, Rwanda, France. You see that thing. So yeah, you can save in your USD. So when it's generating a lot of income, then you will withdraw to your Ghana Cedis account and you do the deposit through your mobile money account. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't understand anything, chat me and let's talk about it. Yeah, I will leave my WhatsApp link in my description. So chat me and let's talk about it. I'm out.